Hello everyone, good morning. Maybe this wasn't a good idea to start outside. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and right now I am making moving vlogs to show you guys my move right now. As you saw from the last vlog, I'm moving out of my parents' house and I'm moving into an apartment with my boyfriend. I'm really excited. We're almost there. We're getting pretty close to being fully done. But I'm still obviously sleeping here. I'm still staying here, and my boyfriend's staying at his apartment right now. Just while we're like moving, we've been doing more of a slow move because it's hard with work for me to just like take off a day and do the whole thing in a day. Or like last weekend, we just got our lease, so it was just hard to do it last weekend. So we've just kind of been doing it slowly every day, which has been actually pretty helpful. James is handling furniture, so he and his roommate now are moving all the furniture into our apartment, and so they've been doing that throughout the week as well. That's kind of like what we've been doing. So right now we have a couch, we have bar stools, and we have my dresser and coffee table. So all furniture, as you already probably know, or if you don't know, I'm taking from my dad or Liberty. They both have been so gracious to have extra furniture to give us, and that's been honestly so helpful and amazing. It is Thursday right now. I already packed up my car. I'm about to leave. I have to go to work, and I just wanted to start off the vlog. Later I will take you guys and show you guys the updates, and you'll help organize. Today's my clothes organization. Not all of it, but some of my clothes. So I'm about to get going. I have an early morning meeting, so I don't want to be late. I will see you guys after work. Hello, don't mind me. I look really oily and gross, but this is the reality of after work. But anyways, wanted to show you guys a few updates that we have so far, because it's really coming together. We have the couch. The couch has been put in. This is actually Liberty's couch from her apartment. It has been sitting in our garage for the past however long. This is a piece of furniture that has been in my dad's room for forever. We've had this for like maybe 20 years. I'm not even kidding. We've had this in our house for as long as I can remember. We have two little stools right there. I think those were there in the last vlog. We have our TV. TV is way bigger than expected, 70 inches, which is a lot. We kind of messed up, but we're not gonna deal with returning it in the whole thing. We're just gonna keep it. That's what we have going for us in the living room so far. We're gonna get the couch cleaned on Monday. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring some pool towels and stuff, and I'm just gonna lay them on the couch so that way we can sit in it. This is what the kitchen looks like so far. I have a little candle. I added our blender. Anything else from here? Nothing that you can see. I did our spices yesterday, all alphabetized, because that's how I do my spices, is all in alphabetical order. Then we have some wine glasses. We have 4 wine glasses right here that are from my house. My dad gave them to me, so that's awesome. And then these 2 champagne glasses are also one of his that he gave to me as well. They're so pretty. I don't know if you can see the detailing on them, but they're gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Over here, we have the bar area. So I just ordered something to make these like stand up. I will put that in and I'll show a clip after this. But this is the bar area. We have our appliances down here. We literally have so many appliances. Then this is, like I said, our pantry. We have a lot more food in here, more wine up there. I figured out how to put the olive oil up there, so that's great. So we'll just keep that there. I have a suitcase full of clothes that I need to put away. I started to put some things in here. Like, I'm not getting it fully organized, but like I have a few things. And yeah, that's it right now. I mean, I'm just gonna film, you know, just me putting things together because I still have a lot to go. Today is like kind of unpacking clothes. I'm not really gonna do too much organizing. I think I'm just gonna like throw it all in, and I'll do the organizing at a later date, because honestly I don't have the energy. I'm starting to get really tired of this moving stuff. I'm just getting tired of like every single day I've been here like trying to unpack, and it's just like I just want to rest. Anyways, I'm gonna get to it so I can get home and have a relaxing dinner, some kombucha. So update. This looks so cute. I got this thing from Amazon. They had a similar one on Anthropology with like this marble slab underneath, which was a bit more expensive. And I just found this one, which is like literally exactly the same, but without the marble detailing at the bottom. And I kind of like it better. So that's what it looks like. This is the bar area. I was actually just now thinking, I think it would look really nice if I get like LED lights and just put them under here. And then I can just like light this up, because it's a little dark for my liking. There's no lights that are over there, and I just feel like this should be a little bit more on display. Let me know what you think if I should put LED lights under there. This so far, super cute. Okay, so it looks really good. Not organized in any way, shape, or form, and I have so much space, and even these are like really spread out. I'm going to organize all this probably over the weekend because I just don't have the energy to do it right now. Now that I'm looking at it, I think I'm gonna put bags here, then shoes. Okay, well maybe I'll do shoes here or something like that. This is like goes back, and so I feel like boxes or of any sort should go there, and this will be cleared. This is our sheets and our pillows. We got these pillows from Costco, and they're actually very, very nice. If you're looking for pillows, look at Costco. They have great stuff. Sheets are from Target, as well as our shower curtain that we got. Looks good. I have like these shoes on the bottom. I have brought my scale. This won't be staying in here all the time. This is only here for just to help me organize, and just put shoes there anyways. Looks good. Hi. Hello. I just wanted to come on here and just kind of talk to you guys about how I've been feeling. I just feel like I always show that I'm happy and all the stuff, which I am, but I definitely do go through things. I've been explaining more in my vlogs, and I definitely want to share that it's normal for those who are going through similar things. I just don't want to show one side of myself, and I want to be more real and authentic and explain to you guys how I'm feeling and then how I'm learning at the same time. I just was having a talk with my dad, and I just was really sad for a little bit just because this is a lot for me to move, which I'm so excited for, so don't get me wrong. But I think the main thing that's like really making me sad is the fact that we're selling the house at the same time. That's really sad for me because I've never felt more at home than in this place. I know it's just a house, it's just a thing, but I've really never felt more at home here. I'm so grateful, and I'm just thinking about all the times that I've spent here. I think it would be different if my parents weren't selling the house at the same time that I was planning on moving. I mean, obviously no one can control that. Like, that's just how it happened. In life, you can't control when things happen. Things happen at the same time and you go through multiple changes. But it's just been a lot for me because I'm someone who really, really, really likes to stick to a routine, and change is really hard for me. And it's really difficult for me to switch things up and step outside of my comfort zone. It's something I'm really trying to push myself to do. Even to go on certain vacations, it's hard for me. Even to go out, it's hard for me. Like, I don't know why I'm such a no person. I'm just like, I'd rather stay at home. I love being at home, and I love here. It's just like my sanctuary and my happy place. And the fact that also we kind of live in nature versus other parts in LA, and I really love that because it kind of gives me a sense of Ohio too, because I'm originally from there. If you are new here and don't know that, we moved here like 9 years ago. Anyways, it just is so different than anywhere else in LA, and I'm just so grateful to even have like a garden and being able to sit outside and just hear the birds chirping and just seeing the beautiful skies and just the flowers and all the colors, and just to really embrace all of that is just so, that is what makes me happy. What makes me happy is such a simple thing. I love being outside, and I love feeling so safe and just so at peace and calm, and this place really gave me that. I don't really care about the house so much. I actually care more about the backyard because that's like my love, and just moving to more of a city-like environment is gonna be a change. It's gonna be good, but it's just gonna be different, you know? Anyways, I just wanted to say that even though I'm sad, I'm excited, and it's okay to be sad, and I think I've been trying to suppress it this whole time, and I think now it's finally coming out, and I'm glad it came out, and I'm glad that I talked to my dad about it and was able to really reason with it and get a better point of view, because sometimes when I'm sad, I like get really sad and I just am in my head and I don't know how to get out of it, if that makes sense. Sorry. Anyways, and so he was just giving me really good tips, and he was just saying like, home is not things, it's not the house, it's not that. Like, home is what you make of it, and your life is going to change in so many ways at so many different points of time, and it's all growing. This is just a growing pain. I'm learning and I'm doing something new and doing something different, and that's just what comes with it. Like, I think for me is like, this is the first time in my life where everything's so unknown, and I'm a very planner person. At the same time, I plan out my life, and I just don't know. I don't know how long I'm gonna live in this place. Am I gonna leave in a year? Am I gonna stay longer? Am I going to, I just don't know. I just don't know what life looks like. And that's a good thing because it could be lots of things, but also it's scary. It's so scary. That's what I just wanted to say, is that if you're like me and change is hard for you, I get that 100%, and I'm still working on it now, but know that change is growth. I just want to encourage you that if you feel stuck and you also love being in your comfort zone, like try to do a small thing to step out of it, whether that's literally from taking a different route, going home from work, or going on a different walk in a different neighborhood. Life is always moving and evolving, and we are as well, so it's time to embrace it and get excited. I am very excited, please don't get me wrong, but I just wanted to say that, you know, we all have more than one emotion and we all are going through different things, and it's good to be grateful for the time that we've had doing certain things, and sometimes it's just time to move on. Yeah, that's my spiel. I feel a lot better now after talking to my dad and talking with you guys. And that's the tea. That's the tea, my friends. Hi guys, I'm back at the apartment. It is Friday and I just wanted to drop off a few things. We were planning to spend the night here and last night be our last night at our places, but we're gonna do one more day because we still have to get things ready, and I just don't think we'll have stuff done in time. So we're gonna spend the night at my house, and then tomorrow I think will be our first day here. But I just put a bunch of things in the closet and other places in the apartment. I just like put the same little artwork that was on my dresser when I was at home. And then officially all my clothes are here. Almost all, actually. I have a couple more things at home, but we're doing good. We got to like really organize this because this is not organized. I just kind of plopped it here for now. I have a ton of stuff here that needs to be put in there. I did these cabinets right here, and then I also just put these full towels on our couch because the couch is really filthy. We'll probably be sitting on it before it gets clean, so I just wanted to put like things over it just so that, I don't know, I just didn't want to sit in filth. And we have a bunch of boxes that need to be thrown away. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll let you guys know what more happens tomorrow when we kind of finish. It is Saturday right now. We just got here and this place is quite a mess, but this is the reality of moving. It actually gets me excited because now we have pretty much everything here. There's like maybe like literally a handful of things that are still at my house, but I'll just get that later. I'll probably go tomorrow and just grab it. But we have pretty much everything here. So now we just have to organize everything and place everything where it is supposed to be, put some furniture together, etc. That's pretty much what is on the agenda. I'll show you guys the state of our apartment right now. It's pretty crazy. This is what it looks like. Total mishap right now. We have some stuff over there and then some stuff in the other room, but yeah, first thing I can already tell is 6 chairs is a lot. I think I'm gonna have to bring these back to my house because that's a lot of chairs. All this stuff, we're getting our couch clean later. That's part of the dining table, obviously TV, then we have some other stuff over there. But yeah, we have a lot. I'm starting to put some of our food away right now so it doesn't go bad. That's basically what I'm up to right now. We kind of have a time limit because we have a friend's birthday today. So we're trying to get a lot at least done and then get ready and go to this birthday lunch. So honestly, I have faith in us. Yeah, let's get started. So it is a little bit later. It is actually a few weeks later. I'm so sorry it took so long. I realized I never finished the vlog and never gave you guys an update of what it looks like with the furniture now placed in it. I've been living like this for a few weeks now and I really like it. I just wanted to feel a little bit more settled before I go and purchase more things to actually start decorating. So there's not really any decor in here, and then I can kind of see how I've been living and like, oh, I actually feel like I need this, this, and this, and then I can start my search for those things. So anyways, I'll give you guys a quick little tour just to end the vlog and show you just the furniture that we have going on. Starting with the bedroom, this one's probably the most bare. So we got new sheets, which I'm in love with. They are the softest sheets, or actually it's just the duvet cover, it's not the sheets. It is the softest duvet I've ever had. It is by Parachute Home. I can put it in the description, but it is amazing. I am in love with it, and I definitely want to get pillowcases and sheets from Parachute Home. I also want to get silk pillowcases, and there's 2 pillows that I want to replace because we got 2 new pillows and we still have 2 old ones, and I kind of want to change them. This is all James's furniture from his place, so we just are using it and it works for now. I mean, I don't think I'll replace the bed for some time because this works, it's functional. But definitely down the line, we want to get like a comfier, cozier bed and stuff like that. Over here, you guys saw that I had my dresser from home. This, I don't know what to do with. So we have my air purifier, my steamer that I never put away, a fan, and this blanket I have to wash because I think I'm allergic to it. I don't know why, but for some reason I was using it and I feel like I've been sneezing ever since. So that need to wash. But anyways, we have this like free space right here. I would say if my dresser wasn't vertical, I'd want to get a dresser that goes right here. I don't want to put a TV in here because we already have a TV and I don't really like having TV in the bedroom. So I don't know. I have no idea what to do here. We'll see down the line what I think would be best. I'm not going to show you guys my closet. It looks the same as you saw earlier. I still have not organized it. I don't know why. I just haven't gone around to it. Bathroom, it's pretty much the same. Nothing crazy. Here is where it is definitely different. So this table right here is actually Liberty has given it to us, which was really nice. They had an extra table in storage, so we're using that. And then these chairs were our dining room chairs. My dad said that he wasn't gonna take it, so he's like, you're more than welcome to have it. So we took 6. I said earlier that it was a little too much. It was. So I still need to bring this back to my house. I don't need it. 5 is just perfect. This is a mini fridge that was in my closet. It broke, sadly, so we're gonna get a new fridge. Don't know when, but for now I'm just storing like drinks that don't need to be immediately put in the fridge. But I really like having a beverage fridge because our fridge is smaller and I just like having all of our beverages in one and not taking too much space in the actual fridge. Kitchen, this is what it looks like. Still need to get a trash can. We have really put that off, but we'll get one soon, and we need to get a little paper towel roller, or not roller, a holder for the paper towel. We'll get to that at some point, but this is what it looks like right now. It's really cute. I love it. Then over here, we have the couch and media stand. So this stand is from Liberty's house. She just said it was extra and we were more than welcome to have it. So that was really kind of her. I've kind of stacked blankets here from now. I was thinking to get like bins, but I don't know. Maybe I will get one for right here, or maybe I'll get some decorative piece here. I'm not sure. I definitely realize I want to get a mirror here. I think that would be super cute. Maybe a little plant as well. I'm not really sure, but I definitely know that I want a mirror. Then you already saw the couch. It's clean. Here's James doing work. It's clean and I love it. I definitely want to get some throw pillows going forward. Want to get some art decor at some point. We have a little orchid there and then a side table in this. So anyways, I think it's really cute. And then we have James's section, but I'm not gonna show too much because he's working right now. But yeah, that's everything. I think that it's super cute and it's starting to feel a little bit more homey. I just need to add some extra touches, but you know, like I said before, I think a home is built in time, and I'm just taking my time with it, seeing exactly what we need. I wanna get pieces that I have forever. I just don't wanna go to Target and just like splurge and buy everything and then end up not needing it in a year. So that's why I like to take my time with these kind of things. But so far I think it's cute and I hope you guys like it too. I'll definitely be doing way more vlogs here. Please let me know what kind of vlogs that you want to see in this place. If you want me to talk about specific topics, I got a lot of DMs and questions about certain things, about moving and transition and all that stuff. So please let me know and I can make a video on it. Maybe I'll do a Q&A soon. Who knows? If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to do that there too, because you'll see a way more up-to-date things and all the Q&As that I do as well. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.